this episode of FUM0128 machining, we are going to make the crankshaft for this Stirshurst engine. Well, here it is. First of all, it will be a round piece, 40 millimeters in diameter, and it will be 60 millimeters long. Well, but first of all, what we do, we cut a suitable piece out of material I have here. And when this suitable piece of material is cut, then we will put this dial in a lathe as accurately as I can, as straight as I can. And then I will face it. And after it's faced, I will turn the diameter. The actual diameter is nothing critical, just clean it up. And after it is cleaned it up, I will center drill here. It will be used later on. Okay. The next step, when it has been cleaned, I will turn it around in the chuck, dial it in. After I have dialed it in, I will turn the rest material off from here, face it. And then find a good center here. After I have found the center with my special drill chuck, I will move the chuck 10 millimeters into the side and mark the surface. And after that, when it has been marked, I redial it in a way that it is 10 millimeters off the center. So this part is in the center, yeah, and when I have dialed that in, I will cut 15 millimeters deep so that we have exactly 8 millimeters in diameter here, this crank pin. Finished that one. I will turn it around one more time in the chuck, put two parallels here under, and then chuck it as straight as I can. And then I will turn this piece of material off. It will be a lot of material removal. I don't like it, but it has to be done. Okay, and when we have all these features, there is a small 1 millimeter high and 15 millimeters wide solder here. This is where the bearing is resting. Then when I have done the surface very well, the last thing will be a DIN 9 taper at the end. Well, finally we drill a 4 millimeter hole at the end and thread it to M5. And that's it, then it's done. In the next episode of FUM0128 machining we are starting to make a heat exchanger. Till then, bye!